How to make money online without investment. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is posted. Also, don't forget to check the description box to find my number one recommendation to make money online, as well as some useful tools that you might be interested in. With that said, let's get started. So, welcome to this guide on making money online without any upfront investment. Let's explore different methods and provide tips that will help you to be successful. So, as you might know, there are plenty of ways to make money online with no investment. However, here are some of the best ones out there. Number one is freelancing opportunities. So, you will discover the vast array of freelance platforms where you can offer your skills and services to clients worldwide. So, if you know how to do anything that others don't, you can offer your services to others using the freelancing platforms such as Fiverr and Upwork, etc., where people will be purchasing your service and paying you depending on your efforts. And the second way is to do online surveys and tasks. So here you will explore and you will be able to make money by participating in online surveys and completing small tasks in your free time. This can be very suitable for beginners and those who don't really have any skills to offer. And number three is affiliate marketing. So, in this business model, you will promote products or services and earn a commission for every sale or referral made through your unique affiliate links. And this one is considered to be a passive form of income. And another way to make money online with no investment is to create and sell digital products. So here you will unlock the potential of your creativity by developing and selling digital products like ebooks, courses, or stock photos, depending on your expertise and depending on your know-how experience. And one of my favorite ones is online tutoring or coaching. And this one consists of several steps and they go like this. So, firstly, make sure to choose your expertise, identify your areas of proficiency, and find online platforms where you can offer tutoring or coaching services in that field. So, always make sure that you know that field, you are kind of expert on it, so you can offer good services to others. And secondly, after that, after you choose your expertise, you need to start creating engaging content. So design lesson plans or coaching programs that provide value and captivate your audience, ensuring their success. So your audience should come in the first place and not just, monetization. That will come after you provide value to your audience. And step three is to connect with learners. So make sure to engage with students or clients through video calls, interactive materials, and personalized support to deliver an exceptional learning or coaching experience. As you will be creating a community to give and go back and forth with your students and people you are tutoring. And now here are some tips for success in earning money online. The first one is consistency. As you know that consistency is key, so consistently dedicate time and effort to your online activities. Treat it like a real business because that's what they are in order to achieve long-term success. And also make sure to build your online presence So establish a strong digital presence through social media, blogs, websites, whatever, in order to attract potential clients and customers. So people will be searching for you and not the other way around. And also, make sure to never stop learning, stay updated with the latest trends and techniques in your chosen online money making methods to stay competitive and improve your earnings. And this way, people will see you as a resource. So, if anything new happen in your space, they will come to you to see your point of view or take your advice or anything like that. And lastly, make sure to network and collaborate. So connect with like-minded individuals in online communities or forums, collaborate on projects and leverage each other's network for mutual growth. So how can you get started today? Firstly, make sure to choose your path. So decide which method aligns with your interests and skills to embark on your online money making journey. And also make sure to set achievable goals. So create realistic goals and milestones to keep yourself motivated and track your progress along the way. And also monitor and optimize. Always keep track of your data and analytics. So regularly analyze your result, identify areas for improvement, and optimize your strategies to maximize your online income potential. And now let's answer some frequently asked questions which are pretty common. The first one is, how much can I earn? So your earnings depend on various factors, including the method you choose. So some methods will bring a larger income compared to others, and also your efforts. So depending on how much time and energy you put into it, the more the better, and the demand for your services. So it's supply and demand model which applies to any business in life. So some individuals will earn a substantial income, some will make a lot, while others will generate a small side hustle. And is it really possible to make money online with no investment? Absolutely. There are numerous legitimate opportunities available that allows you to generate income without any upfront investment. You primarily invest your time, skills, and creativity. So you will invest something, uh, but it will not be money or something like that. Thirdly, is, can I do this alongside my current job? Yes, many online money making methods offer flexibility, allowing you to work on your terms, so you can dedicate a few hours each day or work on weekends to supplement your current income. Conclusion: with the right mindset, determination, and consistent effort, making money online without investment is a viable option for anyone. So go ahead, explore the opportunities, leverage your skills, and embark on a rewarding online income journey today. So that was it for this video. I hope that it has been helpful to you. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments down below. Also, don't forget to check the description box to get to know my number one recommendation to make money online, as well as to find some useful tools that you might be interested in. With that said, see you in the next one.